Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Tri Anggoro, a master student in economics, Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. On this occasion, I will present of my research entitled The Role of the Green Economy in Face Challenge Environment, Agriculture, Tobacco in Temanggung, Central Java. The first outline of my research is the introduction and then objective, literature review, analysis, result and discussion, conclusion, and recommendation. Next, introduction. Tobacco farming in Temanggung is very important for the local and national economy because of the high quality of the tobacco. Conventional agriculture practices cause soil degradation, water pollution, and decrease biodiversity due to intensive use of pesticides and chemical fertilizers. Climate change increases the frequency of natural disasters such as drought, floods, and storms, which damage agricultural land and reduce tobacco productivity. And then green economy emphasizes a balance between economic growth, environmental sustainability, and social welfare with the efficient use of resources and reduce environmental impacts. Next, sustainable agriculture techniques such as crop rotation, use of organic fertilizers, and efficient water management, as well as environmentally friendly technologies such as smart irrigation system and renewable energy, can improve soil quality, reduce pollution, and improve resilience to climate change. Farmers often resist change because of uncertainty about long-term benefits and high initial costs. Limited access to technology and policy support are significant barriers, and climate change could exacerbate this situation. And then, therefore, this research aims to understand how a green economy can overcome environmental problems and the impact of climate change in tobacco farming in Temanggung, as well as identifying challenges and opportunities in its implementation. This research will also provide policy recommendation to support the shift to more sustainable and adaptive agriculture practices. And then objective. The first objective of my first research was exploring how a green economy can overcome environmental problems and the impact of climate change in tobacco farming in Temanggung, and then identify challenges and opportunities in implementation, and the last, provide policy recommendations to support the transition to more sustainable and adaptive agriculture practices. Okay, next, literature review. The first, the green economy and basic concepts. A green economy is a development approach that aims to achieve a balance between economic growth, environmental sustainability, and social welfare. According to UNEP 2012, sorry, 2011, a green economy focuses on reducing environmental impacts and making efficient use of resources while promoting inclusive economic growth. This concept covers various aspects from energy efficient and reducing greenhouse gas emission to sustainable management of natural resources and protection of ecosystem. And then sustainable agriculture techniques. Sustainable farming techniques are a key component in a green economy that can help reduce the environmental impact of tobacco farming. Altieri explained that these techniques include crop rotation, the use of organic fertilizer, and efficient water management. Crop rotation, for example, can reduce the need for pesticides and chemical fertilizer and improve soil health. Organic fertilizer serve to improve soil structure and increasing water storage capacity, while efficient water management help reduce reduce water and optimize the use of water resources. And then environmental friendly technology, environmentally friendly technologies play an important role in improving the efficient and sustainable farming. Smart irrigation system, which has sensor to monitor soil moisture and crop water requirement, water and increasing crop yields. In addition, renewable energy sources as biogas and reduce dependence on fossil fuel and greenhouse gas emission. And then number 4 is impact of climate change on tobacco farming. Climate change has a significant impact on tobacco farming as reflected in change in rainfall patterns, temperature extreme, and the frequency of natural disaster. The IPCC report that climate change can cause prolonged drought and floods and damage agricultural land, disrupt production cycles, and reduce the productivity of tobacco plants. Rahman update the change in temperature and rainfall affect the growth and quality of tobacco, which has the potential to reduce crop yields and reduce farmer income. And the last, challenge and opportunities in implementing the green economy. Many farmers are hesitant to adopt new practice due to high initial cost and uncertainty of long-term benefit. In addition, adequate policy and infrastructure support are key factor in supporting the adaptation of sustainable technique. On the other hand, the opportunity to increase the sustainable of tobacco farming, though a green economy is very large. The use of environmentally friendly technologies and the application of sustainable technique can help farmers overcome the impact of climate change, increase production efficiency, and promote long-term sustainability. Okay, next. This is analysis data and methods. The first approach study, approach qualitative, is focused on understanding the role of the green economy in agriculture tobacco in Temanggung. And then technique data collection, this is interview in deep with farmer, and then FGD, discussion with group farmer, and then observation field, observation practice agriculture and use technology in the field. And then interview with farmer and businessman of tobacco. And then technique data analysis, analysis thematic, identify theme, grouping information, and find pattern. And then data triangulation, comparing data from various sources for validity findings, and then content coded text from policy documents and report to identify relevant information regarding policies and practices the support or hinder the green economy in tobacco farming. And then research process, first planning is compile plans, guidelines, interview and schedule, and then data collection to interview FGDs, observation and studies documentation, and then data analysis, analysis data using technique, thematic, and concept, and then the last, writing a report. This is a result and discussion. The first, impact environmental for agriculture tobacco in Temanggung. Problem environmental is use pesticide and fertilizer chemistry, excessive cost decline, quality land increases pollution. Things from interview farmer tobacco, Mr. Yadi, cite that experiencing damaged land and water pollution difficulties understand impact period long. And then feeding from interview from businessman tobacco, Mr. Ridwan, site water pollution affect quality result, harvest, and sustainability business. And then second, the role of the green economy in overcome challenge environment and challenge climate change. Green economy principles, engineering sustainable light rotation plan and fertilizer organic increase quality land and reduce material chemistry dangers. Environmentally friendly technology is system irrigation drop and soil sensor increase in efficiency water use and fertilizer. Finding from interview farmer tobacco from Mr. Yadi, said admit the potential of the green economy, however, hesitant because costs beginning tall. And then challenge in implementation of green economy. Challenge mean resistant to change, cost beginning high, limitation access to technology and support policy. Climate change, worsening challenge with weather destructive, extreme infrastructure agriculture. Finding from interview, farmer tobacco is Mr. Yadi, concerned about coastal and uncertainty benefit. And then opportunity and recommendation for implementation of green economy opportunity, education, and the first education and training is improve awareness farmer about profit practice sustainable, and then police support, subsidies and incentive for technology friendly environment, and then R&D investment is research and development technology is accordance conditional local, and then findings from interview, the first businessman tobacco, Mr. Ridwan, is suggest incentive and support more policies good, and then expert agriculture, Mr. Amin, said that suggest more the loss education and training for facilitate transition. Okay, next conclusion, tobacco farming in Temanggung plays an important role in the local and national economy, but faces serious environmental challenges such as land degradation, water pollution, and biodiversity decline, which are exacerbated by climate change. The implementation of a green economy through sustainable agriculture techniques and environmentally friendly technology offer an effective solution to overcome this challenge. Techniques such as crop rotation, use of organic fertilizer, and smart irrigation system can improve soil quality and reduce pollution, while renewable energy technologies help reduce dependence on fossil fuel and greenhouse gas emission. However, challenges such as farmer resistance, high cost, and limited policy support need to be overcome. With a holistic approach and support from various parties, a green economy can increase the sector's resilience to climate change and support long-term sustainability. And the last recommendation, first, farmer education is increase training on green economy techniques and environmentally friendly technology, and then policy incentive is develop policies with financial incentive to support the adaptation of a green economy, and then technology access facilities, farmer access to environmentally friendly and innovative technology, and then infrastructure investment and is strengthen agriculture infrastructure and support research on sustainability practices. And the last partnership is build collaboration between government, private sector, and local communities to support the implementation of a green economy. That's all my presentation. More or less, I apologize. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.